Welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make images and elements move in Capcut to give you that lively feel when it comes to video editing. And to start with, I'm going to be using this Compu Panda 4, which is coming out on my birthday, 8th of March. So yes, you can drop your wishes. I appreciate. So to start with, we are going to be doing something unique. I'm going to be starting from a scale in like this, and I'm going to be clicking on the transform. So I'm clicking on this keyframe because we're going to be using keyframe and going on from there. So we're just going to be moving in. That's the first keyframe. We want to move the playhead to somewhere here and move it back again. Okay, and you want to keep doing that. You want to keep doing that until you get to 100%. It's a very simple way. I'm also going to show you how to smoothen the keyframes because it's very important to smoothen it out. Okay, so we have it there. If we now play it from the beginning, this is what we get. So you can see, but it's not smooth here. So to make it smooth, all we needed to do is to click on this keyframe. When we click on this, show keyframe animation. Okay, so this is the keyframe here. This is the first one. So you want to smoothen this one. Okay, so you want to bring down this menu show keyframe graph because you just want to smoothen it out, and you want to do auto curve. Okay, want to do auto curve there for this keyframe. You just want to do auto curve. Right, so for this other one too, you want to do auto curve. That way you have a smoother image to it. Okay, we'll do for the y-axis because sometimes, okay, the rotate, is it rotate? No, transform. We should be doing for transform, right? Let's see for transform. Sorry, we've been doing the wrong one. It's scale. We'll do for scale. So now we want to, since it was scaling we were working with, that's what we want to do. That's why I always like you to watch this video. So we're going to do auto keyframe here. All right, and for these two we're going to do auto keyframe, just this one, just a little bit, just to give it that smooth effect. Auto keyframe again, and we'll do it for this one, and we'll do auto keyframe. And once we are done, we can just close that out and close that. Okay, so now if we go back and play from the beginning, it's going to be smoother. Just watch this. Okay, so that's how it is. It's smoother now, not complicated. That's just one way of doing it. We can also bring in this one and just do something similar with it. Okay, we just make it fill the screen like that, and this we can just move it from one side of the screen to another, for instance from this side of the screen. So that's where we'll put our first keyframe. They will move, and we can do that and move. Okay, and we'll move it to this edge again, and then we'll move down, and we'll do downwards, and we can do this again. Then for the final one, we can just scale it back up. Okay, we can just scale it back up to 100. Can just scale it back up to 100. Okay, so let me just change that to 100. Okay, so now we have that, and we can just put that in like that. Okay, and let's fill the screen up. So now we have all those keyframes, and if we play it from the beginning, this is what we'll get. Okay, so you can see how cool it's looking. Simple, not complicated at all. That is how to make images and elements move in CapCut PC. I hope you enjoyed this course. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.